So yes, hello, welcome to my vlog again. Welcome to Madam Valerie. Welcome to my channel. Ayan. Yes guys, so for today's vlog, we are going to unbox my Michael Kors. Yes, hello, welcome to my vlog again. Welcome to Madam Valerie. Welcome to my channel. Ayan. Yes guys, so for today's vlog, we are going to unbox my Michael Kors. Ayan. Ang premyo natin kay Mr. Sinigang. O, diba? Thank you so much, Papi. Te quiero mucho. Ayan. Ayun pala, pwede palang iyan yun. Nako. First time kasi magkaroon ako ng charot. Spoiler. Ayan. Yay! So, it's a prank. Charot. So, ganyan siya. Wow. Thank you, Michael Kors. Thank you so much. Muchísimas gracias. Ayan. So, yay! Paper bag lang pala siya. Ayan. So, it's with bag, with the fur. No, with the polvo. Ano ba yung tawag sa polvo? Pulbo para sa face. Charot. Ayan. So, pag itatag, meron siyang ayan. Wala na kasi akong mapili kasi siyempre sale. And then, this is affordable. Very affordable lang po siya. This is from Michael Kors. Ayan. So, it's a black. Yay! Yes. And then, siya? Meron siyang Michael Kors here. And then, it's cream here, beige. Yeah. And then, it's with zipper. Ayan. With zipper. And then, yeah, so that's for it. This is like only, wala siyang 100. So, very simple lang talaga siya. Yan, very simple lang talaga yung Sale kasi, so 50%. So, kinuha ko na kasi madalang. Tapos, mahal talaga yung Michael Kors na ganito. Merong brown, pero naunahan ako. So, wala na akong choice. So, ayan, binili ko na rin. So, okay lang po siya. Talagang maganda talaga yung klase niya. Ayan. Pwede kayong maglagay dito. And then, dito po sa likod. Ayan. So, kinuha ko ng anak ko. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ayan. So, maganda talaga siya kasi meron siya dito sa likod. Ayan. Maganda. I love it. Yeah, I love it. Meron siyang brown. I love the brown one, but yeah. Naunahan ako, so, but it's okay. I love also black. that's for it, guys. And thank you for watching. Bye! Mwah.